how do I improve confidence on camera? Any quick tips? What I tell people is if you're first starting off a video and you're a little hesitant, start off by making some videos on your personal Facebook page. And I say that because on your personal Facebook page, only your friends and family members are going to be able to see those videos. And I think that's a great way to kind of get comfortable on camera, because you don't have to worry about anybody giving you any criticism. It's just literally a private video. Only your friends and families can see that video. And what I tell a lot of people is try to do like once a week, make a quick video on your phone and just give some kind of real estate tip. And do that every single week. Once a week, make a quick short video on your Facebook until you kind of get comfortable with that. And then you can kind of progress to YouTube, where it is going out to a larger audience, and you may actually get strangers, you may get some negative comments, etc. And let me touch on that a little bit more. So another thing is that when you hear your own voice internally, it sounds different than if you record your voice and you hear it back. So everybody says, oh my God, do I sound like that? Nobody sounds like in a video and how they hear themselves in the head. So everybody gets a little subconscious about that. The other thing is that when you look at your face in a mirror, for the most part, you that's how you typically see yourself. And our faces are not symmetrical. They're always asymmetrical slightly. And when you see your video, it flips your image around. So like, this is my left hand, this is my left side of the face, but on my computer screen is showing it on the right-hand side of my face. So my face is swapped around. So when you see yourself, you just don't quite look right either. And it's just because it's flipping your left and your right, and it's flipping your image backwards. So anyway, everybody experiences that. Everybody thinks they look a little weird on camera and thinks that they sound a little weird on camera, and it's perfectly normal. If you want to learn more about using YouTube in your real estate business, click right here to check out another video. And if you want to earn an extra $100,000 a year in commission just from making YouTube videos, check out my course at youtubeleadgen.com. Link down below.